Of course. Oh, delicious. Wish I could eat. Babe, quit using that word. Anyways, Granny Smith apples. Gallon Joe. Alright. Of course, I gotta peel them first. Because that's the way my husband likes it. Although I can't eat, I will try to bite on some things, and you might hear me choke. I'm just trying to do something with my time to keep motivated and know that there's life out there, even though I'm not able to enjoy 90% of what I used to. It's okay. I'm gonna make it. It's tough, but I'm gonna make it. I just pulled my nails off, so I'm sorry about that. Here, Joe. Ooh, she loved that green apple. I am a fan of this, except can't eat it now. Pre-cut vegetables from yesterday. I only do it 3 days at a time. Dice the apples. Dicey. One nail stuck on. And I apologize if y'all can't hear me good. I got a mic. I just need to hook it up and set up a situation here. And so yeah, I'm gonna start filming some stuff for y'all. Just give y'all some of my life stories if y'all want it. My Instagram is Julie Butters. If you would like to hit me up and ask me questions to film videos of. As again, I don't really like to keep repeating it, but I do have a feeding tube. And I do need a vocal box and a trach again. But I don't want that. So I'm just seeing, giving God his chance to let me live as long as he wants. Because I've been through a lot already, and it's a lot of pain to watch my family go through it too, so I'm not gonna keep on. There's no sense in it. But we're not here to talk about that. Dice up these apples real good, real fine. I should have got my big knife. Sure. Oops. Oh well. Should have got prepared, but you know what? I'm gonna make mistakes, right? All these rubber bands on. Yes, I'm skinny. I cannot gain weight with a feeding tube. No matter how hard I try. My thyroid's are burnt up. Just a little backstory for y'all. While I cut this up. Apples are so fresh. Love Granny Smith apples. Green apples. Oh, the bomb. Used to love them with some peanut butter I slapped on them. And I want to try out Hello Fresh for him. Excuse me, I turned my head. That's just me. I have no cover over my lungs, and I silently aspirate. And so I don't lose my mind. See, I'm just trying to do something to help somebody else out. I don't know. I think so bad. I would like cry today because I had a rough day yesterday. And I'm just trying to, regroup. Just take it easy. My body's telling me, slow down, Mama. And a lot of people might not even watch these videos, so that's okay. I'm gonna put them out. My kids get to watch them when I pass. And I go August 24th for the decision on my vocal box. That's 2 weeks. 2 weeks to decide if I 50-50 chance gonna survive it or 50-50 chance gonna survive not doing it. Big life decisions there. But life ain't easy. His request instead of mayo. What in the Sam hell's going on here? And I don't want to get too excited, but baby, you didn't want mayonnaise. And you want me? No, I don't have none. Because you said you prefer ranch. Okay. That's what I was trying to say. Easy to please, easy to please. What is the deal? I'll break my nail. Ouch. Okay. Getting all crazy with it. While I'm over here watching another YouTuber, Jessica Kent, one of my favorites. Do her little cooking board, had the name on my tongue, whatever it is. Jewelry board.
So what I have here is blueberry goat cheese.
My husband was just hungry, so he loves.
I'm like, no, I can't have the whole hunk of goat cheese on there like that. So I decided to chop it up into a few pieces. The good thing about this is there is no wrong way to do this.
And I love cooking because I mean, what's the point of
Just
having
fine because you're going to be eating it. So I put a few slices on there, and I forget what kind of cheese that is. I don't think it's brie. I don't know. Creamy something. I know that's not helpful. I like to have green and red grapes on there. This is fig jam, which is so good on crackers. I'm obsessed with the fig jam.
that looks.
And I try to make little cute designs, but sometimes that doesn't go over well. And just remember, love olives dipped in cream cheese. It was actually one of the things that I craved while I was pregnant. So kind of the way that I do this is I assemble the large items first. So the cheeses, the grapes, and then these little containers of things, the big jam and the olives, and now this is cream cheese.
Yes. I need
on
more.
one side, and then there's plain cream cheese on the other. But I like to put the big things on the board first before I go into my crackers. The crackers that you see me opening from Trader Joe's were actually disgusting. I hated them.
Get off the couch, Chip. Down. 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 Excuse me.
These are Lisa's favorite crackers. They're Italian flatbread crackers from Toll House. They are so good. So I put a ton of those on the board.
Of course, Sara Lee bread or Wonder.
And prosciutto. There is no easy way for me to get this off of here because it's so thin. So, you know, I was going to lift up anyway. So what I'm trying to do here is just get it on the best that I can and make it look as cute as I can. But since I'm going to be devouring all of that prosciutto in like 5 seconds, it doesn't really matter.
Yes, my hands are
salami,
clean.
it was something else. I'm so sorry, I don't remember, but it was really good. Then I'm going to go in with the beet crackers, and again, it doesn't have to be perfect. You just kind of have to find a space for it. What's crazy is the board doesn't look that big, but it holds so much stuff. And I'm adding blackberries. Just kind of anywhere that I have holes on the board, I'll add blackberries to it.
Always with the top.
One of my favorite things is cubed
That is
cheese.
so
I'm
nice.
going to, you know, just like I did the blackberries, I'm going to throw the cubed cheese on the board wherever I can find a spot for it. So this is kind of the finished product. And I just think it is absolutely
And last but not least,
If I don't eat everything on the board, which chances are a reason I won't eat everything, I'll just stick it in some glass Tupperware and put it in the fridge. Charcuterie board. The next night, or I'll
Charcuterie
snack
board,
on it
that's
for lunch
it.
the next day, but
I thought I was
just
saying it
those are
right.
So romantic, Game of Thrones
Sucks
vibes.
not to be
You know,
able to
I just-
eat
I love these. That blueberry goat cheese is absolutely delicious. Messy, but delicious. Oh, I was afraid my battery was gonna die, so you didn't see me do the hummus and the other cheese, but sorry. So we actually have a tray table. So Lisa's setting that up right now, and we put the charcuterie board on the table so that we can eat it in bed. Luckily, we've never spilled it.
Yeah. He's a cheese lover like I was.
One of my favorite things to do.
But, you know, If I could eat, I'd eat vegetables.
Then we will pick a movie.
Ow.
I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope it gave you some inspiration for a date night at home, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
And I hope you guys are all having a good day. And I just want to let you know that don't, smile. You got it. You're able to eat food and you're able to drink a drink. Baby girl, you're doing better than me. Because this sure can be worse. Love to you all. I just wanted to do a little showdown for my husband's Granny Smith tuna salad. And this is the finished product. Y'all have a great day, and I hope you enjoy. I'll get better. My personality is not this. Y'all have a great day. Goodbye.